The mother goes far away to graze. The baby cow is just here.
Oh.
Is the mother the one in that shed over there?
Oh no, the mother I think so gone. All gone for the grazing food, grazing grass.
Fruit farm
Here
also.
also it goes. Here also it goes. But
Or is
this,
it just that
like in the east, now recently we would have said because it's a season like yeah.
Sand in the box, huh?
There are different. I don't think so. This we would have said.
Okay.
See there are beetroots.
Same family.
It's got lot of all these things are weeds. You have to pull them
And
out.
these?
Yeah. These are also seeds. What is in the what is it called in the row? These are the beetroot.
These ones?
These ones. This is every
Like the
in
long.
this gap. Yeah.
Okay.
The leaves are poisonous, not edible. Yeah. Plant one, then it will grow big and multiple.
Yeah.
Then you can separate them and replant them.
I see. Okay.
So you can make many plants from one mother plant.
It's almost like a weed actually, no?
Yeah, it's almost a weed actually.
Yeah.
It's a kind of a weed.
But edible.
There are many other kind of the same family we see. So they are sourish and these things are good like for rheumatoid arthritis. And
Really?
These are medicinal they say. So this grows wild in the Nilgiris. But not really rhubarb. I think what is rhubarb family. Yeah, different breeds like. Actually, earlier we didn't know how to use. Once after we started, like earlier times, we had grown all other kind of veggies, but this is very new to even to us.
Yeah.
So ever since we started rare vegetables and we are homestay, we wanted to use different stuffs. Then we started growing all these things.
And this is also family?
We spray some neem oil, spray, and it didn't rain all these days, so in the heat all these acids come. See, these plants also will protect
These ones, huh?
these ones. We should protect like the marigold plants. They'll keep them sometimes away, but once it starts raining, they'll disappear. Like these tender ones, like the tender bean. Yeah. It's the plant itself is this called the scarlet runner bean.
What's this auntie here?
Those are all different varieties of
Lemon balm.
lemon. It's called.
I can eat it, auntie?
Yeah, you can go for tea.
How does it taste?
I still have the radish in my mouth.
The radish bean.
Tea will be good.
What is it? What does it taste like?
Like a very, like lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
As fresh as it gets, right from the soil. Oh.
We make it in curries. Yeah, like in veggies. Cannot be very sweet, but
Needs another day or two, I think.
another day or two, I think.
Kale.
We use them in salad.
Ooh, how interesting. Pepino. Where's it from?
Sounds
Where it came
South
from.
American.
In
Yeah,
Ooty they
South
started growing, but then we started. This we call looks like cabbage leaf, cabbage family.
Yeah.
So we call
Brassica.
cabbage leaf. Yeah. Spinach.
Can we eat it?
Oh,
I'm sure you can.
Taste?
Oh yeah, it does taste like cabbage. Yeah. It's sweet. The roots don't take over, auntie?
the root won't take over. It is just like it needs lot of water actually. Pinch and you scratch it.
Just a little
Yeah.
scratch of the surface you can
We
smell.
use the rain. See, these are the
Yeah.
yellow ones.
Smell this, smell this.
Oh, wow. Oh, I remember this.
Yeah.
I remember your kombucha with.
This is
With the
very
lemon.
very nice. This one yellow.
Hey, stay here.
Yeah, we can use them in the salad.
Carrots.
Yeah.
3 tomatoes.
Oh, these come in my box.
We used to grow plenty variety of meat. Now also அதுல ஒண்ணு போடல. பால் என்ன கேட்டாரு?
கேழ்கீரையும் இது கருவேப்பிலையும் கொஞ்சம்
கேழ்கீரை வந்து நீ மேல வெளில பெருசா இருக்க பாரு.